Good morning, good morning. We're gonna take a walk. I was able to sleep last night a whole lot better than the night before. I'm not really accustomed on sleeping on the floor, but I guess that is nothing that cannot be done. We're gonna take a walk, make sure before we start packing, because yeah, today is the last day. So I have had a good time. I believe so. I mean, when you are out there, I mean, you encounter a few things, but I didn't take too many risks. I wanted to get down sometimes to get my feet wet, and I did it once, but to get down there is difficult. It's just rocks, so you had to get down, and I could have, but with the dogs and things, I thought maybe it's not such a good idea, because if I fall or something, then it's gonna be an issue. But right now, this is our way ahead, and we're gonna just keep on going. Thank you, Jesus. It's just been an experience that we always need to, I guess everybody should always experience, honestly. Beautiful, the sun. And right now, I don't know, it's like 6:30 and it's already the sun like that. So I guess that today is supposed to be, well, 99 here, which is a little better than yesterday. Yesterday we were in 100, 101. I don't know if you get closer. No. Well, yeah. I'm going back. I'm gonna try to go the same way I came. So that is my camp right there. Since my friend was at camp, I decided to leave my dogs with her and try to enjoy the water some. Okay, aquí sí, por este lado ya sí pude bajar. Nada más que no pude tomar video porque son puras rocas aquí para poder bajar y subir. Así que no quise tomar video porque o agarro el teléfono o bajo. Pero ya por lo menos estoy un ratito aquí para refrescarme, para que no digan que no entré al... Estas son las piedras y sí están rocosinas, ¿no? Que hay que tener un poquito de cuidado. But anyway, we are good. Man, sometimes I think I'm filming, I'm not. But look at that baby over there. I don't know what kind of a bird is it. I think in Spanish it's gaviota. I'm not sure if that's what it is. No, gaviota. Oh, and that is the deer over there. Oh, look at that. Cool, thank you. Look. Oh, that's the ones that make that noise. Bueno, ya me paré aquí en el agua más o menos, pero no le camino más porque para allá ya las rocas se ven que están más... No me quiero mojar toda la ropa, pero ya. Y todavía el bebé está ahí, nomás viéndome. Well, my friends, I want to thank you for watching. This is the last part of this camping trip. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell so that you can get notifications. Bye-bye.